Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is solve the equation. Here is the equation in here, and now I will show the technique how to answer the question. We put a equal to s and b equal to the cubic root. So we will get about a multiplied with b, and we have a plus b equal to 64. Next, if we put a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, you will get about s to the power of 3 plus 64 minus s to the power of 3. Because we put the power 3 next to the cubic root, that's why we have 64 minus s to the power of 3, and you got about 64 in here. Now we have the formula. So this is about the formula, and now we put and arrange everything in here. This one we have AB multiplied with B and AB multiplied with B, so you got about A square B plus AB square. So that should be like this one. And now we will have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, and we have 3 multiplied with this one. So we put the number in here. That's about 256. So we can find a plus b in here equal to the cubic root 256. So we can find AB equals to 64 divided A plus B. A plus B, that's about this one. In this situation, we can use about Vieta's theorem. So we put about capital S to the power of 2 negative for this number, multiply with this number, and we can get the answer, and you get about capital S equals to 2 to the power 5 over 3. So we know that A is about S, so we got about S equals to this number. Here is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.